Hello guys, this is Nepal. Today we are receive the customer workpiece, French price inner face circles welding, and the customers requires use the Tig AC for complete this welding. The customer requires the use of Tig while filling welding. The weld is smooth without porosity. The width of the weld pass is moderate, and the inner walls of the pylons cannot be well through. This time we use WSME 315 art welding machines equipped with Flanged robot welding. Welding machines and robots using Ethernet communication. Using Tig pulse while welding's advantage are low pulse heat input can reduce the workpiece deformation and reduce the risk of inner walls welding through. Well, what do you think the welds? We not only meet the customer request, but also help the customer complete a nice welding scheme. Follow me. I will introduce the different welding technologies and new workpiece. See you guys.